Good afternoon and welcome to T.W White Sons' latest addition to stock. Today we have a 2018 Honda Civic. It is the 1.5 turbo sport model. We've just taken this in part exchange, finished in the really nice racing red with the contrasting black and grey alloy wheels. This car's covered 24,500 miles with a full service history with Honda. It's a one-owner vehicle. It's got a really good sporty look as you go around with the hatchback boot design. Very popular. We fit quite a lot of stuff in there, which is always good. I'm going to take you around the vehicle just so you can see all of the key things regarding it. Space for 3 people in the back. We've got Isofix fixings on the 2 outer seats. On the, as you can see, really immaculate interior. You've got climate controlled air conditioning, you've got satellite navigation, a reversing camera, smartphone compatibility, all of those sorts of things. As I bring you round again to the front of the vehicle, I'll show you privacy glass on the rear. All that into that look. You've got folding in mirrors, the aluminium pedals, you've got all your cruise control there, automatic lights, automatic wipers, and a nice digital dashboard to go with it. It's a 6-speed manual. This car will be serviced and MOT'd prior to delivery to its new owner. Thanks then.